How to share all liked songs on Spotify. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open the app and you have to click on your library on the bottom right on your library. Once you open that, you have to search like songs. Here Spotify doesn't allow you to directly share this, but what you can do is on the top right you'll have your plus icon. Click on that, click on create a playlist, name whatever playlist you want and add all the songs that you have liked. Once you add all the songs that you have liked on your playlist, you can name it my play liked playlist. Then you have to select it once that playlist is made and click on the share option, and this is how you'll be able to share all your playlist, your liked songs, to anyone you like to share. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.